Good morning. Today we will discuss integration by partial fraction. We have the form of rational function and the form of partial fraction. Suppose that rational function form is px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b, where x not equal to b. We can change the form into partial fraction form. A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b, where capital A and capital B are arbitrary constant. Next function we have in the form of px plus q upon x minus a whole square. We can change it in partial fraction form. A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. Suppose that we have a function in form of px plus q upon x minus a whole cube, then we can write a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square plus c upon x minus a whole cube. Next function we have px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. We can change the rational function into partial fraction form as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. This is capital and this is small. Similarly, px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a whole square into x minus b can be changed into partial fraction form. A upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square plus c upon x minus b, because we have x minus a two factors and x minus b only one factor. Next function we have px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into polynomial function or polynomial in quadratic form. We have ax square plus bx plus c. We can change rational function into partial fraction form as a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. We can write. Now how we can find the value of these arbitrary constant a, b, c? We can equate the function. After simplification we can find the value of a, b, c, and we can substitute here. Suppose that value of a is 1 and value of b is 2. So we can put here 1 upon x minus a plus 2 upon x minus b. Then we can integrate the function easily. Now we will discuss some integration using partial fraction. Suppose that we have a function in the form of 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. We have rational form. We can apply here partial fraction to integrate. So we can write a given function in the form of 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3. We can write here. With arbitrary constant ABC, we can write the given function in partial fraction form x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. Taking LCM on both sides, we can write 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 equal to, we can take LCM here, x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3. We can write here x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c x minus 1 into x minus 2. We have taken LCM. X minus 1 remove, we have x minus 2 x minus 3 can be multiplied. B upon x minus 2 we can remove here x minus 2, x minus 1 and x minus 3 is multiplied. C upon x minus 3 we can remove here x minus 3 to multiply x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now we can remove this value. we have 3x minus 1 equal to a into x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 x minus 2. We can make this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. To find the value of arbitrary constant ABC, we can substitute here x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. Why we are doing the same method? According to the working rule of partial fraction, we have to delete any two terms from given three terms. So we can substitute here x equal to 1. If I will put here x equal to 1 and x equal to 1, these two terms will be deleted. Now we can find the value of a. Now we can put here x equal to 1 to find the value of a. 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to, if I will put here x equal to 1, this will be 0 and this also 0. We can find the value of a easily. 3 minus 1 2 and minus 1 minus 2 equal to, we can write here 2a equal to 2 implies that a equal to 1. Similarly, we can find the arbitrary constant b and c. We can substitute x equal to 2, x equal to 3 to find value of a, b and c.